Most AI tools in the make money online space sound amazing on the sales page, but once you actually log in, they either feel confusing, low quality, or completely overhyped. So when I saw KidzStudio AI claiming it could create kids' books, coloring books, worksheets, audiobooks, and even animated content from one simple idea, I honestly didn't believe it. So in this video, I'm going to test it properly and show you whether this is actually useful, beginner-friendly, and realistically worth buying. And I want to make this clear. I'm not just going to repeat the sales page. I'll show you the dashboard, the workflow, the output quality, the good parts, the weak parts, and whether this could realistically help someone trying to build digital products for Etsy, Amazon KDP, or online kids content. Because honestly, AI tool launches are getting harder to trust right now. One of the biggest problems beginners face with online business is that creating products takes forever. You need design skills, writing skills, formatting, ideas, branding, editing, and most people quit before they even publish their first product. That's where tools like this become interesting. Because if KidzStudio AI can actually simplify the process without making everything look low quality, it could save people a massive amount of time. All right, let's log into the dashboard and see what this thing actually does. Okay, first thing I noticed is that the dashboard is actually beginner-friendly. It's not overloaded with complicated settings. You can choose things like storybooks, coloring books, puzzle books, worksheets, audiobooks, and even animated style content. So let's test a simple idea. I'm going to enter a kid's dinosaur theme and see how fast this creates something usable. Honestly, this is better than I expected. The structure is already laid out. The pages are organized. And for beginners, this removes a lot of friction. Now, obviously, I wouldn't recommend just generating content and uploading it instantly without editing anything. You still want to improve branding, customize outputs, and make your products unique. But compared to starting from scratch, this is way faster. And this is where I think the real value is. If you're someone who struggles with design, gets overwhelmed easily, wants to start a side hustle, or wants to create digital products faster, this tool can remove a lot of the technical barrier. What surprised me most is that it's not just one feature. You're getting storybook generation, activity books, worksheets, audiobook tools, video creation, and multiple content formats inside one dashboard. So instead of buying 5 different tools, they're trying to combine everything into one workflow. Authenticity section, very important. Now, is it perfect? No, some outputs still need editing. And if you expect fully polished professional publishing instantly, you'll probably be disappointed. But for brainstorming, speed, beginner workflows, and creating starter products, I can definitely see why people are interested in this. So if you've been looking for an easier way to create kids content, a beginner-friendly AI business tool, or something to speed up your KDP or Etsy workflow, then KidzStudio AI is honestly worth checking out, especially while the launch discount is still active. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link below in the description, along with any available bonuses and discounts. And if you do end up trying it, I'd recommend starting simple. Pick one niche, create one product type, and focus on consistency instead of trying to build a huge business overnight. Overall, I think this tool makes the most sense for beginners who want speed and simplicity more than perfection. And compared to a lot of overhyped AI launches lately, this one actually has some practical use cases. Let me know in the comments, would you actually use AI to create kids products? And if you want more honest AI tool reviews like this, check out the next video on screen.